In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide hidden groups Notion. To get started, open Notion and go to the page called Quick Capture. This is the workspace where the database view is already set up, so it is a good place to manage what you see and what stays out of sight. Once you are on the Quick Capture page, find the View options near the top of the database and click on Board. Switching to the board layout is important here because groups in Notion are most obvious in board views, where each column represents a group. Next, click on the group called Not Started. In a typical board, this is one of the columns, and clicking it helps you target the exact group you want to adjust. If your board looks a little different, take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct column header and not an individual card inside the column. After that, click on the Add icon. This is the small icon in the view controls that opens additional options and settings related to how the board is organized. When you click it, a menu will appear with different items you can select. From that menu, click on Highlight. This option brings attention to the settings area you need, making it easier to find the grouping controls without digging through unrelated options. Keep your focus on the view settings, since these changes affect how the board displays for this view. Now click on Group. This is where Notion lets you control how items are grouped on the board and what groups are visible. In other words, this is the key section for hiding groups that you do not want to see. Click on Highlight again to focus the group controls, then click on Not Started one more time. This final selection applies the visibility change to that specific group, so the Not Started group is hidden from the board view. If you ever need it back, you can return to the same group settings and re-enable it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.